first heard the term Womania in Kashyap's film, and since then it's stuck in my head. It seems like somebody who's a bit whimsical and has her own qualities and her own trait, adds super to that, and that's. I think super cool, super cute. To women of march to the beat of your own drum. Don't listen too much outside. There's too much noise outside. Thank you.
I think Superwomania is all of us somewhere, and it's nice to celebrate it with all the Superwomanias who are present. आते आते ही मुझे बहुत सारी मिल गई, तो अच्छा लग रहा है सबके साथ celebrate करना and to get one myself. And I think it's just in the jaddojahed of life when you keep reinventing yourself and finding yourself, that is a Superwomania. Hi, how are you? इतना प्राउड ऑफ देम, एब्सोल्युटली प्राउड ऑफ देम, एंड आई थिंक हर कोई जो नहीं भी देख रहा था वो मुड़कर देख रहा है कि क्या बात है. सो वेरी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ देम. यस, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
I like to believe that the word super before the word woman is not really needed because it's self-explanatory. So for me, being a woman in itself, in no other way or in every other way, means being a superwoman. That's the only way women know how to be. So. You know, to be clouded by fear, to be clouded by insecurity, and to be clouded by doubt is not really something that needs to be condemned. We all have that, we all have our days. I think what is important is for women to understand that you can be all of this and still do it feeling all of this way. So yeah, just that. Thank you.
Yeah, straight here. Straight center, center.
इधर यहाँ पे सामने
मैम यहाँ पे
इधर जी यहाँ पे
टीना जी सेंटर.
यहाँ
टीना जी
मैम इधर देखिए यहाँ पे
टीना जी आपके लिए कब से वेट कर रहे हैं.
इधर जी यहाँ पे
ऐसे हाथ जोड़ सकती हूँ.
मैम थोड़ा इधर आइए ना मैम थोड़ा सा इधर ओवर है
टू योर लेफ्ट.
टू योर लेफ्ट इधर
Okay?
या
Thank you. Thank you.
मैम इधर देखिए यहाँ पे
टीना जी यहाँ पे
Ma'am, to the podium, towards the podium. Please, please, just a couple of minutes.
टीना जी थोड़ा लेफ्ट साइड.
ठीक है.
थोड़ा लेफ्ट साइड. आओ बस स्ट्रेट here. टीना जी यहाँ पे यहाँ पे आइए मैम आ जाइए.
नहीं जाइए
Thank you so much.
बाय हिना मैम
I think Superwomania is Any woman for me is a superwoman, because I feel we all have our individual battles. It's not something which can be compared, but in our own capacity, each one of us is trying to fight the odds, is trying to fight patriarchy at some point and rise above that. So superwomania for me is every woman. I would just say that the struggle will always be there. The fight is a long one, so keep at it. Don't give up. Thank you.
I think it's women who are doing extraordinary things and uplifting each other and obviously the community of women around them. I think that's what makes us superwomanias. Sure, I think the only message I always give women is that we work better together than apart. So let's not look at each other as competition. We should be helping each other and lifting each other up and giving each other more opportunities and more shine than thinking that there's not enough for all of us to share. Sorry? Thank you so much. Yes, that's on the way.
Now I'm a legit superwoman, yeah. Oh well, after receiving the award, that's what I'm saying. Now I'm legit superwoman, yeah. But it feels great, it just feels very, very satisfying and gratifying to know that, people who follow their heart, people who always believe in themselves and take risks are the ones who shine the most. So here inside we celebrated all the superwomanias and their stories, which are very, very motivating and inspiring. Matlab, we can do anything. That's what superwomania is. Nothing is impossible. Hai na? All right, good night.
What are the what? I think just being a woman is being a superwoman, yeah. Yeah. खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, जितना ease ला सकते हो अपनी life में लाओ, because that normally is very difficult when you are a superwoman या superwoman या हमारी life में काफ़ी भसड़ रहती है. So yeah, just to get ease, yeah, I wish ease on all superwoman so that it's just easy. Thank you.
It feels gratifying. I feel humbled. I think this year has been sort of a roller coaster ride for me, work-wise and also personally. But it's been a really good year so far. I feel really grateful. Superwomania is every woman I have ever crossed path with. Even myself, I think I'm a superwomania as well. So, yeah, someone who is unapologetically herself.